Okay guys, here we are again. Another video. The Electric Razor Wrap YouTube channel. As you can see here, I've got a box on the table here. So of course, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to take this box and we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Got this a few days ago. What this is, you'll see very soon. Well, let's take off the envelope here, covered in a little layer of bubble wrap here. And here it is. These Chinese razors are always so descriptive, shaver. Really, some real originality there behind the name, shaver. I don't even know what I'm going to call this video, but I guess if you look at the front of this thing, you can see that it's got a single razor head. It's quite a big razor head on the front, so I guess I'll just call this video single-headed electric head razor unboxing. And this is, they've got in pen on the back, if you can see that, they've put a check mark beside the model of the one that I have, and it is the MG 1199. So I guess I can include that in the video description as well. So yes, the product name, shaver. Wow. Some real thought went into that, didn't it? The MG 1199, power 5 watts, voltage 5 volts, 1 amp, charge time 2 hours, double ring large feed, as you can see here. That's what it says there. USB portable charging, and according to the information I got when I bought this, it said it was USB-C, so I guess we'll see. And then 2-hour full charge, as you can see there. So let's open this up. These generic head shavers, the English leaves a lot to be desired, as some might say. So let's hope the shaving performance is better than the English. So we'll just open this up, and then we'll do just the unboxing for now. And then, of course, in a subsequent video, I'll do a head shave. So you see here, you've got the kind of a plastic top here to this. It comes off. Instruction book. I'm actually surprised by this instruction book. It's actually quite a good instruction book. It's glossy paper. You can probably see the shine there on it. And I don't like those instruction books where they're like a map, where you can completely open it up and it's like the size of a pizza box or something. This is just a compact little booklet, multiple languages. So I like that for sure. It says here, when the display reads 05, that's the time you have to charge it again. Yeah. So a very basic instruction book from what I can see. The first 3 pages are in English. 4 pages are in English, and then it goes on to the other languages. So fairly basic instruction book. I don't want to show you the razor just yet. I'll just see what the accessories are in here. Okay, so we've got, for accessories, we've got the cleaning brush. Very standard cleaning brush. You've seen these before, of course. The longer end and the short end. Okay. And then here is the charging cable. Just a black elastic band holding it together. And so it's USB-A, the old style USB on one end, and then the other end is USB-C. So if you wanted to, you could take a wall charger, plug it into this part, and Then you have USB-C here, which of course probably goes into the razor. And here it is, in plastic. Here's the razor. So let's have a look, guys, and see how it is. So it's got everything's on the back. There's plastic wrap here. You can see the simulated display. I assume that's simulated. If I peel this off, we'll still be able to see this on there, the display, because I think this is just showing you where everything is, but it's printed on this plastic. So let's just take this off and see. Yeah, it is. You see that those numbers, that display is right on the plastic. So so here's the power button. Okay, got the power button, the display down here. This head cap is trying to come off, so let's take it off. Okay, big round head cap here. So you want to hold this thing. Here's the power button again. So you want to hold it so that the power button is on top. Okay, and comes off easily as well. The head comes off very, very easily. Okay, it's quite a good hair chamber, good size hair chamber there. You can see that. Kind of a dish-shaped hair chamber. I like that. Honestly, that comes on and off very easily. That's great. And I don't mean that it falls off or anything. I just mean that very little effort is required to open that. This is magnetic. I can tell already that this is a magnetic head. Okay. And you just put it back on. And there you go. Okay. Let's see if it has power. Nope. It doesn't have power, guys. So it's going to take 2 hours according to this box. Let's see if the instruction manual says anything differently about charge time, because oftentimes you'll have conflicting information on the packaging and the instruction manual. So let's just see what it says here, if it says anything. It also has a travel lock, apparently. You hold the on button for 3 seconds. Okay. Apparently there's a cleaning indicator as well. Yeah, so very, very basic. I don't see anything yet about the charge time. Let's see. Okay, yeah, 2 hours. So for the first time in a very long time with these Chinese, these generic head razors, the charging time on the box actually matches what's in the instruction book. So that's good to know. It's holding it, you know, it feels a little bit on the light side. I don't know that that's necessarily a negative. Of course, I won't know more until I shave with it tomorrow, but I do like it. It's definitely a good looking razor. Let's take the cable. We'll plug this in to the bottom. There we go. It's in nice and snug now. Okay, and then again, you've got the USB-A on the other end. Again, plug that into your computer or get a wall charger. Again, 5 watts, 1 amp, and go from there. Look at this information here again on the side. 5 volts, right? 5 volts, 1 amp. That's right. There's a Gmail address. There's a couple of different addresses on here. There's a Chinese address. There's a French address. and then a British address as well. Who knows if they're even legitimate addresses? They may very well not be. But according to this side here of the box, it says this razor was manufactured in 2024. Made in China, of course. Surprise, surprise. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. We've got the, again, just to go through the pieces again, we've got the razor itself. Got the head cap. Actually, this head cap is kind of, it doesn't really fit snugly on the razor, but I guess that's okay. Again, the cleaning brush, got the USB cable, and you've got the instruction manual. So I got the basic set. There was a configuration of this where you could get different head attachments. You could get hair trimmer attachments and a nose hair trimmer attachment and a little spongy brush, some kind of facial brush. But you know, these things to me are just meant to be used to shave hair. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to make a video tomorrow showing you how to shave with this, and we'll see how we do. I mean, this surface is quite big. You know, it's fairly wide. So I hope that it'll give me a fairly good shave. But we'll see that tomorrow. So until then, guys, I want to remind you, visit, first of all, www.electricrazorwrap.com. That's the official message board of the Electric Razor Wrap YouTube channel. I've had it on and off since 2002. I relaunched it in February, so almost a year ago. We've got good discussions going on there, lots of members now. So join in the discussion. buymeacoffee.com/electricrazorwrap. If you like the videos I do, you want to donate some money to contribute toward me buying different razors to review, you can do that as well. Also, going to be launching some Electric Razor Wrap merchandise. I'm going to start off small in the beginning, just some hoodies, maybe a baseball cap or two. If you want some merchandise, you want a hoodie, send me an email, jim@electricrazorwrap.com, or go to my board at electricrazorwrap.com. Use the contact form, contact me with your desired size, and I'll be sure to get you out an Electric Razor Wrap hoodie. And if you haven't already, remember to subscribe to this channel, and I'm looking forward to getting more and more subscribers as we continue here. So thanks again, guys, and I will see you on the next video.